a moment to step outside of what was happening in our own lives and care about the people around us. This whole day is about making sure that we remember each other. That's what community is.
There's all types of booths and vendors out here dropping knowledge. And I mean, how can you not say yes to that? And also food trucks.
So everything you're going to do today has an impact. We are one community and we're going to work together.
I know the beauty of this community. That's exactly what today is all about.
The only way things are going to get better and stay better is if everybody does their part. If a company can do some good and show that it's not just about the bottom line, then that goes a long way.
It fixed the door that I can get in with the wheelchair. I don't know how I could have done it.
Boy, this is really a blessing. I thank you, thank you, thank you.